G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about the L-shaped brackets available from Minisport to help lift out your engine or gearbox. So, like you've seen on a previous episode, we spoke about this sucker right here, which is a traditional engine lifting hook. So, what is the difference between the two? Well, cost, and this one looks like an L shape and this one looks like a funny shaped boomerang with a hook. So, this is really good for removing any particular engine from a classic Mini or Moke, and pretty much helps it to get on the right angle the very first time with the two different hooks available, this one here as well as this one here. We have covered that in another episode, so make sure you check that out. If you don't want to go and invest in one of those, you can just buy these standard L-shaped hooks. These just go where the rocker cover nuts go on. So the two bolts that go on that attach the rocker cover to the top of the posts inside the rocker gear, this is where they need to go. So the best practice here is to remove the rocker cover, put these on the top, and then put a nut with a washer on the top to be able to help remove the engine. Now this will help keep it somewhat square and can also be used to help align the engine when going either in or out of the engine bay. They are a really good cheaper alternative if you don't have the cash to buy that other one over my shoulder. Both do the exact same job. This is just a different style. This got me out of trouble when I put the engine back in the Morris Minor. If you haven't, make sure to check it out on my channel. Don't forget guys, check out the full range at minisport.com.au and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.